Welcome all of you to our new video. Today we will talk about Titanic, and in the end, there is a surprise for all of you. So do watch the video till the end. The Titanic was the largest passenger ship in the world at the beginning of the 20th century. This enormous ocean liner was designed by Thomas Andrews and built by Harland and Wolff in Belfast, in what is today Northern Ireland. Construction started in 1909, and the ship was launched in 1911. This pride of the White Star Line entered service in 1912. She was nearly 30 meters wide and 270 meters long and weighed over 53,000 tons. The steel plates of the external shell were fastened by about 3 million rivets. 2 4-cylinder steam engines and 1 steam turbine which drove 3 bronze propellers. 2 3-bladed propellers on each side and a 4-bladed propeller in the center. The turbines and steam engines had a combined output of 50,000 horsepower and produced a speed of over 22 knots or 40 kilometers per hour. The enormous hull was divided into several decks. The funnels and the masts, holding the wires to the radio telegraph system, were above the level of the upper deck. The communication system consisted of 2 individual Marconi radio telegraphs, and the captain's bridge was located in front of the first funnel. The ship carried only 20 lifeboats, 4 of which were collapsible. The 3 500 passengers of the luxury ship were served by a crew of about 900. The ship's maiden voyage was to lead from Southampton, England through Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown to Day Cove, Ireland to New York. However, at 11:40 p.m. on the 14th of April 1912, she hit an iceberg on the Atlantic Ocean, broke in 2 and sank 2.5 hours later. The total number of people who lost their lives in the disaster was 1517 or 1494, according to certain sources. It is still the subject of much debate who was or were responsible for the loss of the Titanic. The tragedy has inspired numerous books, films, and works of art over the decades since then. So now let's talk about our surprise. As you see our videos, they are something like this.
If a person shoots a bullet at a sharp axe, some people believe that the bullet will shatter into pieces as soon as it hits. But if the bullet from the gun...
If you all support us, then we will also add some funny animations in our video, which will make you laugh a lot in the end. If you like our idea, then definitely type Yash Animation in the comment box. We will meet you again in our next video.